All right, now recording to test this, I'm going to share my screen. And when I do that, what I want to do is be able to see what's on my screen and put that onto the recording. So there we are right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring up the chat, or excuse me, the annotate, which is a very nice little feature. I can bring that up here to take a look at it. And the annotation gives me the ability to use all these kind of controls. You know, I think, well, what's the good of that? Well, let's take a look at something here. If we share the screen, and I'm going to share my full screen here, and let's say we go over to Google News, for instance. Okay, I'm bouncing over to Google News. There we are, and we can see what's going on today. This is the network, etc. And you know what I could do is I could go, oh, annotation is going to be real helpful, because what I want to do is I'm going to draw on the screen, and I like this little squiggly line here, and we're going to say, look at this, the Bay Area will open slowly after the coronavirus closures. That's kind of nice. And put that in there. Also put some text in here, and I can go, hey, this is a big deal. Okay, so I'm putting that in there, and you think, well, why would I do that? Well, the reason is what I can do is by doing that, you see, I can put this in here, and I'm going to select this, make it a little bit smaller, and I can move it over here, etc. Your eyes are following that, and that gives me a lot of capability. Plus, I can use the stamp and go, hey, this one right here is important, but then so is this one and that one down there. And matter of fact, we're going to put a couple of arrows there, because that one's really important because it's for you. Yes, indeed. Or I could say, you know, I really love this one right here. That one, not just love, and for you, we love that. And the Samsung's new $300 Galaxy M31, why, by golly, we just love that to pieces. Notice the possibilities you have here. And of course, you can go, yeah, I want to erase some of that. So we're going to click on eraser, and I'll click on that one, and that one, and that one. Or, by golly, I want to erase all of these, so I'm going to select clear, clear all drawings, clear my drawings, or clear the viewer's drawings. Let's get rid of all of them. Clear it like that, and there we are back to this. I'm going to now select mouse, which gives me then the ability to scroll again through the different stories like that. So all of that is part of sharing the screen, which is very nice with annotation when we're doing it that way. So I'm going to stop share here and let you try this on your own.